The Lakhimpur blood politics is still on. Congress has now taken the issue fight to the doorstep of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President House. A 7-member Congress delegation led by Rahul Gandhi is at Rashtrapati Bhavan today to meet President Ramnath Kovind. In a letter addressed to the President on 9th of October, Congress said no action has been taken against Ashish Misra yet. This despite open warning that was issued to farmers by MOS Home Ajay Misra. The letter also states that Minister's son Ashish Misra was behind the wheels of the vehicle that mowed down farmers. Now, the Congress has demanded removal of Union Minister Ajay Misra, saying he could influence the investigation in which his own son has now been booked for murder. Congress is accusing the centre of remaining silent in the whole matter and asked for a probe against Misra's pending cases. The delegation led by Rahul Gandhi includes Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, A.K. Antony, Mallikarjun Kharge, K.C. Venugopal, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and Ghulam Nabi Azad.
तो गृह राज्य मंत्री बर्खास्त हो, उनकी गिरफ्तारी हो और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के 2 जजों की निगरानी में टाइम बाउंड तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो और देश को पता चले कि किस सुनियोजित तरीकों से देश के अन्नदाताओं को जीप के टायरों के नीचे कुचलने का निर्णय भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके नेताओं ने लिया था, ये हम चाहते हैं।
Days before that violence, a video was circulated of Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Misra Teni, in which he is appeared to be heard saying he can fix protesting farmers in a matter of minutes. Listen into that.
ऐसे 10-15 लोग यहाँ पर शोर मचाते हैं तो यहाँ पूरे देश में फैल जाना चाहिए था आंदोलन। अगर कृषि कानून खराब होते क्यों नहीं फैला? 10-11 महीने हो गए। मैं ऐसे लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि सुधर जाओ, नहीं तो सामना करो आके, हम आपको सुधार देंगे। 2 मिनट लगेगा केवल। और जिस दिन मैंने उस चुनौती को स्वीकार करके काम कर लिया तो उस दिन पलिया नहीं लखीमपुर तक छोड़ना पड़ जाएगा, ये याद रखना।
Let's go across to my colleague Anand Patel, who's been tracking all the latest. Anand, there appears to be enough evidence on this case, but what are we expecting at 11:30 a.m.? Could this be a big boost to protesting farmers that Rahul Gandhi is right there at the doorstep of the President's house?
Well, certainly, Pooja, the Congress party doesn't want to let this go, this entire episode, and continue the charge against the Modi government at the centre and Yogi government in UP, which is poll-bound. Now, Congress party in this Lakhimpur violence case has found, a big shot in the arm to train guns on both Chief Minister Yogi and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We had seen how Priyanka Gandhi had staged protests in Lakhimpur. Rahul Gandhi also went there to show solidarity with the protesting farmers, and they've managed to mount enough pressure on Yogi government and UP police to have the prime accused, Ashish Misra, arrested. Now that job is done. Now Congress party is training its gun on Union Home Minister, MOS Minister of State,
yes,
and father of Ashish Misra, Ajay Misra Teni. Now Congress party is alleged with a MOS Home in the saddle here at the centre. It is, impractical to expect of the UP police to conduct a free and fair probe, and that is the reason why he should be removed. And that is why the Congress delegation led by Rahul Gandhi, which is, accompanied by Priyanka Gandhi, also Ghulam Nabi Azad, A.K. Antony and Mallikarjun Kharge. All these 5 leaders will be meeting the President right behind me in the President House, and they will be demanding and urging the President to intervene in this matter so that justice can be done. So the Congress party is not letting go this agenda. This is poll season, and Congress party wants to continue its attack on Modi and Yogi.
Keep tracking all the latest. Anand Patel telling us about Rahul Gandhi all set to meet the President and take the Lakhimpur issue and demand more action against the minister and the son as well. Thank you so much, Anand Patel, for all the latest on the ground.